Hello everyone, welcome to SQL session. Today's session is about update statement in SQL. First I am going to select all the values from department table. The syntax is select star from department. I am going to select the statement and going to execute. Now you can see department table contains the columns department code, department name, status, created by, created date, modified by, modified date, deleted by and deleted date. Here the status of all the records are C. Now I am going to update the status into A for all the records. Also I am going to update modified by and modified date. The syntax is for updating the values is update table name set the column name. Here the column name is status is equal to value, that is A, comma, modified by is equal to LJ, comma, modified date is equal to get date. Now I am going to select the statement and going to execute. Now 4 rows affected. Now I am going to select all the values from department table. Now you can see the status of all the records are updated with the value A and modified by is updated. Also modified date. Now I need to update only one record in department table. For example, I need to update this particular record, that is department code 1004, department name engineering. I am going to update the department name engineering into communication. The syntax is update table name set department name is equal to communication, comma, modified by is equal to, I am going to give John, comma, modified date is equal to get date. Here in the department table, the primary key is department code. So here I need to give the where condition for selecting this particular record. So I'm going to give the where condition where department code is equal to 1004. Now I am going to select the statement and go to execute. Now one row affected. Now I am going to select all the values from department table. Now you can see the department code 1004 and the department name engineering was updated. Engineering is updated with the department name communication, and modified by is updated with John, and modified date is updated with the current date and time. Now instead of communication, I am going to give the department name IT, and I am going to select the statement and going to execute. Now one row affected. Now I am going to select all the values from department table. Now you can see this particular record is updated with the department name, IT, modified by, and also modified date. But after updating, you can see there is duplicate entry happened, which means 1003 department code and the department name is IT. And after updating, again one more department name came with the IT with a different department code. So 2 times IT repeated. So how can we avoid these kind of duplicate entry while updating the records in a table? So before checking that one, I am going to update the department name into engineering, and I am going to update this particular record. Now I am going to select all the values from the department table. Now you can see the department code 1004 and the department name is updated with the engineering. Now I am going to open a new window and I am going to give the select statement for selecting all the values from the department table. Now I am going to declare 3 variables here. The first one is declare @ department code. So first we will check what is the data type of department code. Here the data type is varchar of 10. So I am going to give the data type varchar of 10. Next variable is department name, and the data type is varchar of 100. Next is modified by, declare modified by data type varchar of 20. Now I am going to give the condition. So before giving the condition, I am going to select all the values from department table, and for engineering I am going to update the status into C. Now I will select all the values from the department table. Now you can see the status of engineering is updated with the C. Now I am going to give the condition. If X is select top 1 department code from department table where status is equal to C and department code is equal to department code, then begin end. Here I am going to give one message, select cannot update department detail is cancelled. For example, I am going to pass the department code as 1004 and I am going to update the department name. So here what it is checking, the department code 1004 and the status is C, then it will show one message, cannot update, department detail is cancelled. Next condition, else if select top one. I'm going to copy the statement. Department code from department where department name is equal to @department name and department code not equal to @department code. Here else if exists, then begin end. I'm going to give the message select cannot update department name exists with another department code. For example, here I am going to pass 1004 and department name. I am going to update the department name engineering into IT. Then it will check the department name IT exists with a different department code. So it's already exists. IT exists with a different department code, that is 1003. Then it will show a message cannot update department name exists with another department code. Now another condition, else if exists select top one department code from department table where status is equal to A and department code is equal to @department code. Begin end. Here suppose 1004, for example, status is also A, and instead of engineering I am going to give communication. Then status is A, then department code 1004, then it will update it. Then I'm going to give the update statement, update department table set department name is equal to @department name, comma, modified by is equal to @modified by, comma, modified date is equal to get date, where I need to select this particular record, where department code is equal to @department code. Also I am giving the status also. I'm going to give status also here, status, and department code is equal to department code. After updating, I am going to give one statement here, select statement, department detail successfully updated successfully. Now I am going to give the else statement. Else I am going to give one message. Failed to update department detail. Now I am going to pass the variable here. Department code I am going to pass 1004. Here I am going to update department name into communication modified by LJ. I am going to select these statements and going to execute. Now you can see I am getting one error message. Cannot update, department detail is cancelled. So here I am trying to update the department, that is this particular record 1004, and the status is C. So it will come here 1004 status is C, then it is throwing this particular error message. Now what I am going to do is I am going to change the status of engineering into A, and I am going to select all the values from department table. Now the status is already updated. Now instead of communication I am going to give IT, and I am going to select all the statements and going to execute. Now you can see another message. Cannot update, department name exists with another department code. So it came to here and it's checking any department name exists with the name IT with a different department code. So I'm going to select all the values from department table. So here you can see IT already exists with the department code 1003, then it is not allowing to update. Now instead of IT I am going to give communication, and I am going to select these statements and going to execute. Now you can see department detail updated successfully. Now I am going to select all the values from department table. Now you can see the department 1004 updated with the department name, communication, and updated modified by and modified date with the current system time. Now I am going to update the same record. I am not changing the department name. I am changing the modified by into John, and I am going to select these statements and I am going to execute. Now you can see department detail updated successfully. Now I am going to select the statement. Now you can see here the modified by is updated with John, and the department name is same, communication, and modified date is updated with the current system time. So that's all about the update statement in SQL. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.